Question 6. Age equals 3a plus 28.6. A pediatrician uses the model above to estimate the height h of a boy in inches in terms of the boy's age a. That's the height is h and the age is a in years between the age of 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimated increase in inches of a boy's height each year? So this model works for ages between 2 and 5, and the question says what is the estimated increase in inches of the boy's height each year from the age of 2. Since your A represents ages, you can insert 2 here, next you insert 3 here, you insert 4 here, and you insert 5 here. Let's start. For age 2, you have h equals 3 times 2 plus 28.6. h equals 3 times 2 is 6 plus 28.6. h equals 6 plus 28.6 will give you 34.6. Due to the fact that some students struggle with adding whole numbers and decimals, this will just be done. Adding 6 to 28.6 is saying 28.6. 6 here is a whole number, so you put the 6 under the 28, then you can put 0.0. This is how you add them. I've seen some will jump and add the 6 to the 6 behind and get a different answer, but the 6 should be under the digit 8 of the 28. Then you add, you say 6 plus 0, that's 6. You put your decimal. 8 plus 6, that's 14. You write 4, you carry 1. Then 1 plus 2, that's 3. That's how we got 34.6. Let's take A equals 3. You have h equals 3 times 3 plus 28.6. You just change your A and you're trying to find your h. So you have h equals 3 times 3 is 9 plus 28.6. h equals 9 plus 28.6 is 37.6. Now to find the increase in height, you take the height at 3 and subtract it by the height at 2, because the question talks about the estimated increase in inches of the boy's height each year. So we're concerned about the increase per year. We'll take 37.6 subtracted by 34.6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. You can put a dot here. So you have the increase between year 3 and year 2 as 3. The answer to this question is therefore A, that's 3. But you can do further confirmation by taking the age at 4, but you have to be very quick, because it's not just knowing but also being fast. So let's just take the height at 4 and compare it to the height at 3 and see if the answer is similar to what we've gotten when we compare the height at 3 with the height at 2. Let's take the height at 4. Let's write it below. A equals 4. So you have h equals 3 times 4 plus 28.6. h equals 3 times 4 is 12 plus 28.6. h, which is the height, is 12 plus 28.6. That will give you 40.6. If you subtract the estimated height at age 4, which is 40.6, by the estimated height at the age of 3, which is 37.6, you get 3. The same as the difference between the estimated height at 3 and that at 2. So we've confirmed that our answer is A, that's 3. If you're fast enough, you can take at least 2 tries to confirm, because between age 3 and age 2 it might be 3, and between age 3 and age 4 it might be 5, and between age 5 and 4 it might be 2. You have to confirm this, at least 2, before you pick your answer. Although this exam has a time effect, but it's strongly advised that you try all values and be sure the difference between 2 consecutive ages is 3. You need to be very sure in cases like this.